Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to monetize my TikTok account. Now, monetizing your TikTok account in 2024 can be achieved through various strategies. Here are some effective ways to start earning money on the platform. First is to apply to the TikTok Creator Fund, which pays creators based on the engagement and views of their content. Now ensure you meet the eligibility requirements, including having at least 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in the last 30 days. Partners with brands that aligns with your content and audience also have that. Brands often pay creators for sponsored posts, shoutouts, or product placement. Now you must build your personal brand to attract sponsorships, and also you can promote products or services from other companies using affiliate links. You can earn a commission for each sale made through your unique link, and be transparent with your audience about your affiliate relationship. You can also go live on TikTok and engage with your audience in real time. Now viewers can send your virtual gifts, which can be converted into real money. Now building a loyal audience can increase the likelihood of receiving gifts during live streams. And also, if you have a product or service that you want to sell, consider using TikTok ads to promote it. While this requires an investment, it can help drive traffic and sales. And also, you can um, use TikTok's shopping features to sell products directly on the platform. This includes setting up a shop and integrating e-commerce functionalities if you're eligible for that. And then that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.